We are a cybersecurity program, and we want to continue bringing innovation to government and making sure that when government is looking at these cloud technologies that they're secure. We want to keep our ear to the ground, listen to our agency friends that have some incredible lessons learned in ATO in a day, ATP through DHS. DoD has a program established too that has streamlined the authorization process, and we want to keep listening to that feedback and understanding, researching and developing and taking that feedback and having a look at our process and see where we can make changes to make things simpler. So we're going to continue these research efforts, especially in the areas of ATO automation. I think that there could be a lot of really neat synergies there, looking at machine readable languages, how can we make the documentation aspect to the authorization simpler, and also a little bit of some robotics process automation. So very exciting times, and truly just keeping our ear to the ground, listening to our customers and hearing the demand signals from them.
Yeah, it's interesting. What I'm hearing you say is you're using a lot of this advanced technology to enable the technology, if you will, because of sort of the role that you're playing. How long, if I can ask you, how long is the sort of that FedRAMP cycle taking these days?
Sure. So actually we've had, so I can tell you from
I know that's gotten better and better over time.
It certainly has. And we've also kind of been a little innovative in coming out with additional baselines that's really more for agencies that understand their data types, that are using, for instance, a software as a service, sitting on an infrastructure platform that has a FedRAMP authorization. We released a baseline called FedRAMP Tailored, which really streamlines the process, and we had an authorization from beginning to end, including the documentation, the testing, everything that goes into the authorization, take 9 weeks for 2 products to get through. Wow. So a little bit, a month for each. So we've seen some synergies there. You know, we'd like to say for anything that has, you know, the full gamut enterprise-wide solutions, more or less 6 months or less through this authorization process. But again, always ready and willing. We want to continue to evolve. We want to continue to condense that timeline, and we're really proactively looking at different technologies to help that cause.
Which I